Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'm starting a new giveaway, and it's a multi-part giveaway. So I got here 12 of the 6520s with all the same key. They're all keyed like I didn't know when I bet on it. So yeah. And I will mark them down here so we know it's one of these 12 locks. To enter the main giveaway, what you have to do is submit a speedpicking video to the speedlocks.org team, and it runs till the end of November. If we are not having enough speed picks by the end of November, I will extend until we have 12 entries and all 12 get a lock. So when you win one of these EOS 6520 with these locks, you will enter the prize pot for the big prize. I'm gonna not announce yet, but I have to put some stuff together for it. But there will be some cool stuff in it. All right. So first part, submit a speed pick, any lock, doesn't matter, to the speedlocks.org team to get a chance of winning one of these 12 EOS 6520s, which are all keyed alike. And if you're one of the lucky 12, you will have like a month after I announce it to speed pick 6520, and the winner of that speed picking contest will receive the grand prize. Okay. I hope that was more or less clear. All the other mumbo jumbo will be in the description. So I mean, of course, the legal stuff from YouTube. And I will try to speed pick this lock now. So first use the key. The time starts as soon as the pick enters the keyhole. So let me zoom in a little. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna put the focus point on the keyhole. And it's always it's always better to see the shackle, because the time starts when you enter the keyway, and it stops when firstly the shackle moves. If we don't see that, then when the core is rotated. Alright? But it's always faster to see the shackle pop. Alright, let's see. I don't know if that was fast enough. Remember, I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 times. Use the key before the pick. Alright. That was slow. Reset with the key. Okay, something is now not working out for me. I might wanna switch up the tensioning tool. First pick was okay. Okay, maybe I wanna... These one I'm not counting right now, because I'm not used the key before. Now I'm going to use the key again. Hopefully a good speed pick. I slipped. It's not working out for me here. That might be working. Use the key. Of course, you will get a key for your lock. All right. Let me try 1 or 2 more times. The checklist visible, that's good. Couldn't get in there, so let's try once more. That was okay. Alright, again. First part of the giveaway. Submit a speed picking video, a valid pick, to the speedlocks.org team. If you're one of the 12 lucky winners, you will get one of this nice EOS 6520. And for the second part and the grand prize, you will have to speed pick this lock after I announce part 2. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope we got a couple of people joining. A dozen would be great. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.